you have to do is go to YouTube, type in this phrase, go to this website, register, come back to YouTube, find a video that you want to watch for free, and start earning money. Just recently, I figured out how to make money by watching videos that I already love watching anyways. And as a matter of fact, every day we're watching videos consistently, hours and hours of video, and we're not getting paid for it. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can get paid for every video that you watch on YouTube just by following everything inside of this video. We create a video every single day, and if you subscribe to this YouTube channel right now and hit the notification bell, you're going to be notified whenever we do come out with a new video on this YouTube channel. In addition to that, we also do a giveaway every Friday, and by commenting right below this video, Google, you're going to be entered into a giveaway where you get a chance to win my ecom course, YouTube course, and any course that I actually come out with on this Friday. So go ahead and comment Google right underneath this video, and you'll be entered into a giveaway for a chance to win. So let's go ahead and get started with this tutorial. So the first thing you need to do on this website is you need to go ahead and register. Once you register and log in, you're going to see everything that the dashboard in this website actually shows. And as you can tell right here, 0 total views, total everything. So this is a brand new account that I just created just now. And so what you need to do is, as you can see right here, it says new link shortening service. So instead of using bit.ly or tinyurl or any other link shortening service, you should start using this service here, because they will actually pay you for people who actually click on the link. Okay. So what you're going to do next is you're going to go to YouTube. And on YouTube, let's go ahead and, for example, go and type in Fortnite. Now, we know that these types of videos get a ton of views, and people are really obsessed about these types of games, okay? And so what you want to really do is you want to type in here Fortnite update, okay? And once you type in Fortnite update, boom. Here is a video that generated 924,000 views in one day. So I'm going to copy the link in the browser, or you can actually hit this share button down here and then also copy the link as well. Once you copy the link, you're going to go back to your dashboard and you're going to paste the link here. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and hit shorten. And now you have your link, okay? So shrinkme.io is a website that actually shortens website links. In order to start getting paid, people have to click on this link right here. So the next part of this is to go to Google and then just type in PC Games, forum. And you want to find other forums on the internet so that you can go ahead and paste this information in here. Now, obviously you don't have any information to paste on this website. So you're then going to go to Google once again. Then you're going to type in Google, the same title of the YouTube video. You're going to hit search. And once you do that, it's going to come up with a bunch of videos that have a lot of updates on Fortnite. Now, you're going to look for an article. If you go to any one of these websites, they should have an article that you can take, okay? And here is one of the articles. All I'm going to simply do with this article, okay, is I'm going to copy it. It's very simple. Okay. Now, any information that you've gathered from this update is going to allow you to go ahead and paste this information into the forums. Okay. But you're not just going to do it just by pasting in the forum. You're going to create a document, okay, a Google Sheet right here, or a Google Doc, just like I've done here with the article that you'd be pasting inside of the forums. So as you can tell at the bottom of this document, I've got my shrink.io link for my affiliate link. And what I'm going to do is obviously paste all this information in there. Anytime somebody clicks on this link, I'm going to make commissions just for them clicking on the link. So you're not selling anything whatsoever throughout the course of this video.
And as time goes on, that can continue to make money in a passive way just by posting this information in the forums. The most important part is this link here, because without this link, you're not going to be able to get paid whatsoever, because there's no way to track who is clicking on this link. So there's so many different PC gamer forums that you can post in. And so with this link, you're going to be able to earn by posting this link along with helpful information that people really need inside of the forum. Another way that you can make money with this technique, if you already play Fortnite by yourself, you can create these types of videos, and then you can put the link to other videos that you have on your YouTube channel using this shortening link. Once people click on those links in the description, as you can tell, these videos get a ton of views, and those also transcribe into tons and tons of clicks coming over to your website if you're promoting anything. And if that's the case, then you're going to be able to make a substantial amount of money just by uploading your gameplay from Fortnite. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video tutorial on how everything works. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell. So whenever I do come out with a new video, I can send you a notification when that video is actually launched on this YouTube channel. And don't forget to check the link in the description of this YouTube video so you find my top recommended way of making money online. I've been actually doing online marketing for the past 12 years, and I've developed a system, and I know what programs work and what programs don't. And the link in the description of this YouTube video is going to go towards a course that I created personally, or it's going to go towards my top recommended product that I highly suggest you go ahead and get. It's going to go towards my top recommended Make Money Online program. So with that being said, you guys take care, and I definitely will see you at the top.